Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Vivomove Style, and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. Before we start, if you want to change the watch face on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Garmin Connect application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Garmin Connect application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the app, tap on the More option, then scroll down, tap on Garmin Devices. Here you should see Vivomove Style on the list of devices. Tap on it, then select the Appearance option, and here select Watch Face. Right here we have the list of watch faces we can select from. Find the watch face you like. Once you find it, tap on it to select it. Then you can tap on Complications, and here you can change the widgets basically. And then you can also tap on Color to change the color of the accents. And once you're done, you can go back to the main page of device page. Basically, it will say Settings Saved, and the watch will the app will resync with the watch, and after it's done syncing, the changes should be applied. As you can see, it applied right now. And once you're done, you can close the app. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.